Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose and it's time to claim your Night tokens. So guys, Midnight is a new blockchain. It is privacy focused and it is also a partner chain to Cardano. And now the Glacier Drop claim is live. So guys, remember 50% of the supply allocated for Cardano is 50%. And then 20% is for Bitcoin holders, 30% for ETH, Sol, XRP, etc. So guys, very significant, a very big deal. So a lot of things are happening. First off, the Moose is up north right now, so the internet is a little bit slow, so bear with me. I've done a lot of things ahead of time. And guys, just make sure you have your wallet ready as well as a new wallet. So I recommend doing those things. On top of that, some wallets are not supported. So for security reasons, I believe specifically for the Trezor, there's a SIP8 signing issue, but this will get resolved. So the team's already working on it. They didn't want to delay it because, only 5% wasn't there. So check it out. It's all on the website. I recommend that you guys take a look at that. So let's dive right into it. Hit the claim now button. It's the big blue button and you're going to see a main page. And guys, comment down below whatever questions you have regarding Midnight in the drop. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Also smash the like button, subscribe. You guys know what to do. So guys, you have 60 days for this. So again, you want to have your origin address, destination, accept the terms and sign. We're going to do all this. You need a non-custodial wallet. Just remember, it's not going to work with a hardware wallet right now, but it will change. So hit on start a new claim. You could also watch that video and you're going to see this dashboard. Very simple, guys. And make sure you're on your laptop or desktop. Go to blockchain network. We're going to hit Cardano. For you guys, if you hold Solana, just give it a go. Check your origin address, see what you're eligible to claim. And if you have issues with setting up a Lace wallet, that's the one I recommend for a destination. Watch my tutorial. It's right on the channel. I'll pop it up on screen. Now we're going to confirm network. We're going to do Cardano and we're going to do browser wallet. We could do it manually. This is going to be a lot easier. So we're going to go continue and I'm going to use one of my parents' wallet. So that is a hot wallet. So we're going to go Yoroi. So checking eligibility, there we go. 559 Night tokens. So if you guys want to just check and see what's eligible, simply follow those steps and do that, okay? So here we have a destination address. We're going to disconnect and do that again. So what you're going to do now is hit next. And here we're going to do the same thing. So your blockchain network, it's going to be Cardano. And then you're going to go to browser wallet, go to continue. And for me, I set up a new wallet called Night Moose. So I recommend setting up a new Lace, or perhaps you want to set up a new Vesper or Giro, something different. It's going to make it a little bit simpler. So we're going to click on Lace. There we go. This is a new wallet. We're going to hit next. Now we're going to accept the terms of service. Moose just reads really fast. And then here's a quick little preview. And we're going to sign. Now we're going to put in our password. There we go. So your claim has been successfully signed. Guys, when you are first connecting your wallet, you may see that pop up. So yeah, just follow those steps. And yeah, it looks like we are ready to go and we are all set up. So right now we're just going to hit complete claim. All right, guys, so that brings us to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember, you guys have a lot of time. You have roughly 60 days for the first phase. Then there's a scavenger, etc. So I like the idea of the Glacier Drop. A lot happening here. Guys, like, comment, subscribe, comment down below. Let me know how many Night tokens you have recently claimed. So with that being said, the moose is loose. We'll see you in the next one.